guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. So today's video is super exciting because Huion just sent me their Canvas 16 Gen 3 and I'm unboxing it right here with you. This is actually bigger than the last tablet they sent me and also heavier, which makes it feel really solid and premium straight out of the box. There's also foldable tablet stand included. This one has multiple angle adjustments so you can set it however you like to draw, whether you're more upright or like drawing at a low angle. There are also other accessories included in the box like the glove, a clean cloth, and of course a pen. Speaking of the pen, this model features Huion's latest Pen Tech 4.0. The pen comes with 3 customizable side keys now instead of just 2. So I've tried it already and the pen feels really good to hold. It's lightweight with balance and the anti-slip grip makes longer drawing session a lot more comfortable. Along the side there are programmable shortcut keys that feel really responsive. I love how they give you room to customize your workflow depending on the software you use. Definitely handy if you're trying to work faster without jumping between your keyboard and the screen. Anyway, today I'm drawing Jinu from K-pop Demon Hunters. I watched that movie way too many times at this point. I love it so much, especially the soundtrack. It's been stuck in my head for days now. There's something about it that just hits. I also heard there's gonna be a sequel and I really hope they go through with it. There's still so much we didn't get to see in the first movie, so many hits dropped but never really explored, like the backstories, the lore, even some character dynamics felt like they were just teasing us. I just want more. I feel like the film wanted to give us more but something got caught along the way. And what kills me is the fandom stepped in and did what the movie couldn't. I've seen so many gorgeous fan arts, like seriously mind-blowing good ones. So many amazing artists have done their own versions of scenes or reimagined character moments, and honestly they gave more depth and emotion than what we saw on screen. Doing digital art just a couple times a month lately. I wouldn't say I'm super consistent with it, but every time I sit down and make something, I feel like I learned something new. I used to feel bad for not posting or drawing all the time, but now I'm just letting myself enjoy it again. Like I'm at this point where I'm not stressing about pushing out a bunch of pieces. It's not about quantity for me anymore. I just want to sit down, chill, and create something that feels good, something that teaches me something, even if it's slow, even if it takes days or weeks to finish. It's more about the experience now than just the final piece. tried a bunch of different poses for this illustration before landing on this one, and to be real with you, I wasn't feeling it at first. It was a bit tricky to draw and I almost scrapped the whole thing midway, and I caught myself being perfectionist again, which happens way too often. It's a habit I'm still trying to break. I start nitpicking everything, the shading, the angle of the eye, the tiniest line, and then I spiral and forget why I even started. But for this one, I made a promise to just chill, no pressure, just enjoy the process and let it be whatever it ends up being. So if you're watching this and you've been putting off drawing because you feel not ready or not good enough, maybe this is your sign. Just do it. Messy is fine and finish is fine. You'll get better just by doing it. You don't have to wait until everything's perfect. That moment never comes anyway. So here's how the final piece is turning out. Kinda ended up loving it. Took a while, but I'm glad I stuck with it. This one really taught me a lot, and it was just fun. It felt good to draw again. Huge thanks to Huion for sending me this graphic display. It made the whole process smooth and enjoyable. If you're curious about this tablet I use, you can check the product details down in the description. Anyway, thanks for watching and hanging out with me today. If you vibed with this, maybe drop a like or sub. It helps a lot, and I'd love to see you in the next video. Take care and happy drawing!